How do you number your transactions and documents? Whether you need special numbering based on your country, your industry's expectations, or your company's own unique preferences, the NetSuite Advanced Numbering feature gives you the flexibility you need. Let's dive in. How exactly does this feature work? One thing that's important to understand is the difference between regular numbering and advanced numbering. You can set up regular document and transaction numbering on the Setup Auto-Generated Numbers page, which you can access by navigating to Setup, Company, Auto-Generated Numbers. On this page, you can set basic numbering preferences for record categories like your entities, documents, and transactions. The options you have vary based on the record category, but most of these would allow you to set a prefix or suffix to provide the minimum amount of digits and to set the initial number. Advanced numbering, on the other hand, expands your numbering options to include things like the fiscal year, subsidiary location, and transaction date in your numbering. To accomplish advanced numbering, you would need to set up specific numbering rules for each record type. First, you'll need to enable the advanced numbering feature. This feature is located in the ERP General section of the Company tab in Enable Features. After enabling the feature, there are several more setup tasks you need to complete. You will need to turn on advanced numbering for documents and transactions. For documents, navigate to Setup, Company, Auto-Generated Numbers, and choose the Document Numbering subtab. In the column immediately to the right of each document type name, you'll see the Advanced Numbering column. Any document types that are eligible for advanced numbering will have a checkbox in this column. Simply select the types that you want to use advanced numbering on and then save the page. To select record types for advanced numbering on transactions, first you will need to ensure that the Transaction Numbering subtab is available on the Setup Auto-Generated Numbers page. To enable this subtab, go to General Preferences, Setup, Company, Preferences, General Preferences, and select the checkbox Show Transaction Numbering Setup. After saving this page, navigate back to the Setup Auto-Generated Numbers page and choose the Transaction Numbering subtab. As with the Document Numbering subtab, here you will select the checkbox next to any eligible transaction types that you wish to use advanced numbering on. Now you're ready to create some advanced numbering rules. On the Setup Auto-Generated Numbers page, you'll notice on both the Document Numbering and Transaction Numbering subtabs that any record types you had selected for advanced numbering now have a setup link next to them. Selecting this link will take you to the Advanced Numbering Rules Set page, where you will see all the numbering rules that have been applied to this record type. To start with, there should be only one rule, the standard rule for that record type. This rule pulls any criteria you had set for this record type prior to selecting it for advanced numbering. To add an advanced numbering rule, select the New Rule button. This will take you to the Advanced Numbering Rule page. On this page, you will name your new rule. Then, under the Numbering Format field group, you can set the prefix, suffix, minimum number of digits, and initial number. As you make selections in this field group, you'll be able to see how your numbering system will appear in the Number Preview field to the far right. On the Advanced Numbering Rule page, you'll see the Sequences by Segment subtype. When you're setting up a transaction numbering rule, you'll be able to choose fiscal year, location, and subsidiary as possible segments. Each of these segments has a unique numbering sequence. You can also layer segments. Each segment combination then would have its own corresponding numbering sequence. Before you save this page, you'll need to set criteria for when this rule applies, which you can do under the Criteria subtab. Some of the main types of criteria that you could set include date, location, country, subsidiary, and posting period. Once you have saved any customized numbering rules, the transactions and documents that they apply to will display the new numbering system. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let us know by hitting the like button. And to learn more about how SuiteRep can help you with all of your NetSuite needs, visit us at SuiteRep.com.